Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can open your snaps again after once you have opened. As you know, once you have opened the snap, you cannot open it again, but I will tell you how you can do this again. So for that, just open your Snapchat account and go to your messages to see the open. So open any chat, and in chat you will see there are snaps and they will be written opened, and it means you cannot open it again. So now how you will get that data again? So for that, if you have some open snaps and you want to open them again or you want to see them, so for that what will you do? Just click on your profile or avatar and go on top right side, there are gear option which you call settings. Just simply go to your settings and now scroll down at the bottom, and here at the bottom you can see the option called my data. Simply click on my data. Once you click on this, here you can see all the data available here. So just simply click on next. Here you can see there are many options. Which data you want to download? Last week or last month or last year or 2 year or all time. So if your snaps are in last month or last week that you want to recover, so just you will click on last week, and now simply click on submit. When you click on submit, your request will be submitted to Snapchat. Now Snapchat will send you an email on your linked email address, and from that email you will open that link and you will download your data. This may take some time. It means it may take 1 to 24 hours, but at the end you can be able to download your data. Here you can see I received this email. So just like that you will receive an email, and here there you can see the option called click here to access your data. So you will just click here, click here, and now you will be able to download your data. So this is the way you can open your Snaps data again.